Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing in with your company Google Workspace account and immediately enabling two-step verification for stronger protection. Once signed in, open Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and Chat, and pin the core apps to your launcher so you can move fast. Make sure to confirm your storage quota and request shared drive access if needed. This prevents delays. These first actions unlock the Workspace tools and reduce friction when you start creating, scheduling, and collaborating with your team. Once your essentials are set, focus on workflow. Store team assets in shared drives and assign appropriate roles so permissions match responsibility and reduce accidental deletions. When you draft docs and sheets, title them consistently, use comments and suggestions for review, and rely on version history to recover prior states. For meetings, schedule calendar events with attached drive files and a Meet link. This keeps context in one place. Make sure to use chat threads for quick decisions and docs for durable records. To finish, lock down security and verify sharing. Review sharing settings before you send anything external and prefer expiring links for temporary access. Perform a monthly audit of drive and calendar permissions and remove inactive collaborators to limit exposure. If something goes wrong, files not syncing or Meet failing, check Drive for desktop or backup in sync, clear the app cache, and reauthorize your account. Often re-signing resolves stale tokens. If issues persist, escalate to IT with screenshots and exact error messages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.